Do you want to enhance your self-image? Do you feel lack of self-confidence, self-esteem? If the answer is yes, you are at the right place, my friend. I am Pradeep Agarwal from Institute of Mind Control Development, Hyderabad, India. I am a certified entertainer and a hypnotherapist. Now, my friend, if you have not subscribed to my channel, subscribe right now and click on the bell notification button to get notified every time we upload a new video. I will be the first one to get it. Now, in this video, you are going to learn a very powerful NLP technique to enhance your self-image. Use this technique. Do it right now. Now, remember, please don't do this exercise when you're driving a vehicle or operating a machine, because I may ask you to close your eyes. So, are you ready? I'm sure you are ready now. Now, my friend, think about it. What kind of self-image you have right now? Think about it. Whatever comes to your mind, good, weak, less, whatever comes. And then, as you're sitting there, close your eyes and imagine that you are standing in front of you. You are standing in front of you with the self-image is twice bigger and stronger than what you just felt right now. Imagine that yourself, imagine yourself is standing in front of you with a double the size of self-image, self-esteem, confidence. See this in your mind's eye right now. And notice when you look at the person, the same you, notice how does it feel, how does it look, how much you walk, how much you talk. Notice the changes in your appearance. When you really feel that the picture which you are seeing in your mind in front of you is the self-image is very strong, do one thing now. Step inside your person. It can be a future you. Step inside, and when you step inside, feel that, self-image expanding, enhancing, feeling confident. Notice how you feel when you have that self-image in you. Really feel it. Intensify it. Multiply this wonderful feeling of self-esteem and self-image, enhancing, doubling. Now, if you're happy with that, do this one more time, or let's do one more step. As you have already doubled your self-esteem, now imagine from there, look at your another one who has double the self-image and self-esteem than this person. Imagine, see and look how does the person behave with that self-esteem, and how does it look like, how we talk, how we behave. Look at in front of you, and then again step into that person. Step into your future you, which has a very powerful self-esteem and self-image, and who can do anything in his life. Feel that wonderful feeling. Intensify, multiply inside your whole body and mind. Let this wonderful feeling move up and down in your body. And now when you have this wonderful feeling, do one interesting thing. Come back to the present where you're sitting right now with that wonderful self-image and self-esteem intensified and multiplied. Feel that inside you right now where you are sitting. And from there, see yourself in a future situation where you need it. And see yourself performing all those situations with a more high, enhanced self-esteem, self-image and confidence. And notice how successfully you perform there. Future pace it. See there in a different situation where you need it. And you already linked it. Do this right now. And our friend, now come back to the present by feeling fantastic. Open your eyes and look around. Now my friend, I want you to do this exercise. Watch this video at least 5 times. And do it 5 times. And future pace it. Future pace means link it to the future event. And when you link it to the future event, what happens? The moment you are there, the same feeling will automatically come. You feel differently. Now if you've done it correctly, think about the future event now where you have to think about it just now. And you feel different, it is done. If it is not done, you don't feel it, do the exercise again. Really feel it. Do it 3 or 4 times. And then it will be a permanent thing with you. You will find that when you have done it and linked it to the future situation, different situations, this become a real part of you all the time. So do this exercise right now, and then see in the future what happened, and then write in a comment how you liked it and how much it helped you. And please remember, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, subscribe right now. Click on the bell notification to get notified every time we upload a new video. And we are creating a lot of new videos on hypnosis, NLP, law of attraction, persuasion, and I work with the top level sportsmen and sports. So use this technique and let me know. And we conduct seminars on Zoom also nowadays because of the coronavirus for the Zoom, and our live seminar also started happening now. So if you're really interested in attending my live training program, click on the link below or call us and talk to us so we can let you know. So looking forward to meeting you personally soon, and all the best with the powerful self-image and self-esteem. Thank you very much and see you soon.